Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the complete Gulab and Glycolic Acid range by Dr. Sheth's. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now when it comes to chemical exfoliation for my skin type, I absolutely trust glycolic acid a lot because in my teens as well as in my early 20s, I used to get a lot of acne as well as pigmentation on my skin. So my dermatologist used to prescribe me glycolic acid based products for treating my acne prone skin, as well as they also provided me with certain kind of glycolic acid peels of different strengths in order to reduce pigmentation as well as provide a glow to the skin. Glycolic acid has personally worked really great for my skin type. It is the smallest AHA or alpha hydroxy acid which penetrates deep into the skin layers. It helps in exfoliation of the dead skin cell layers. It helps in reducing dullness as well as pigmentation on the skin. Glycolic acid also helps in boosting collagen production and also prevents early signs of aging. I've been trying out Gulab and Glycolic Acid range by Dr. Sheth's for quite some time now, and today I'm going to talk about my experience with the products. So the first product which I have is this Gulab and Glycolic Acid face wash. Now this one contains gulab extract, 1% glycolic acid as well as 1% niacinamide in it. Now the product comes in a packaging like this. It has a gel-like formula. This product is sulfate free as well as fragrance free, and it lathers really well on the skin. So it contains gulab extract as well as glycolic acid and niacinamide in it. Now gulab extract has been known for its anti-aging properties as well as it helps in cooling and calming the skin. It hydrates the skin as well as is great for dry skin types, as well as it is great for reducing dullness on the skin. Glycolic acid on the other hand helps in removing dead skin cell layers as well as reduces pigmentation. It also contains niacinamide in it, which is an absolute skin friendly ingredient. It also helps in controlling sebum production as well as reduces dark spots. Now as this product contains only 1% glycolic acid, it can be used every day, so you have to use this face wash only once a day in your AM or PM skincare routine. So for application of this product, you just have to damp your face nicely, then you have to take a coin size amount of this product, work up a lather and then apply it on your face in gentle circular motion. Keep it in contact with your skin for 30 to 60 seconds and then rinse it off with cold water. This face wash feels so gentle on the skin, it does not sting my eyes, it nicely removes all the dirt and grime and leaves my skin squeaky clean without stripping away the natural oils from my skin. Coming to the second product from this range, so this is the Gulab and Glycolic Acid Serum by Dr. Sheth's. Now this one has gulab extract along with 6% glycolic acid as well as 5% niacinamide. It also contains alpha arbutin along with sodium hyaluronate. So the serum comes in a glass bottle like this with a dropper, so it is very easy to regulate the amount of product in your skincare routine. Now as this one contains 6% glycolic acid, it works as a very good leave-on chemical exfoliant for your skin. Now if you're a beginner, I won't recommend it to use it daily in your skincare routine. You can use it once or twice a week for chemical exfoliation. So along with glycolic acid, this serum also contains niacinamide in it along with alpha arbutin. Now 5% niacinamide is a great strength in order to reduce pigmentation on your skin, as well as alpha arbutin on the other hand is a good tyrosinase inhibitor which helps in reducing dark spots and pigmentation from your skin. I have used the serum as a leave-on chemical exfoliant twice a week in my skincare routine at the night time, and I've noticed that whenever I apply this serum, my skin glows the next day. As it contains 6% glycolic acid, it is very gentle on the skin. It does not sting my skin, it does not make it feel irritated, and it helps in smoothing out the texture of the skin as well as minimizes the appearance of enlarged pores. So for application of this product, you just have to cleanse your face nicely, then you have to pat it completely dry. Then take 2 to 3 drops of this glycolic acid serum and apply it on your whole face as well as neck. Just avoid your eye as well as mouth area. Pat it on your skin until it is completely absorbed and then follow up with a moisturizer. This serum does not give any kind of sticky or tacky feel to the skin. It feels a bit matte after application. The presence of hydrating as well as moisturizing agents in the serum helps in combating dryness as well as gives a plump look to the skin. Now coming to the third product from this range, so this is the Gulab and Glycolic Acid Body Peel. Now this one contains gulab extract along with 2% glycolic acid as well as 6% lactic acid in it. Now this is the amazing body peel which contains lactic acid as well as glycolic acid in it. So it is great for removing dead skin cell layers from stubborn areas such as your knees, back of the neck as well as elbows. Now this peel contains 2 potent AHAs, that is glycolic acid as well as lactic acid in it. Glycolic acid as well as lactic acid both are amazing AHAs which helps in very good chemical exfoliation of the skin. Lactic acid has a much bigger size and it is very well suited by sensitive as well as dry skin types. Now this one also contains licorice extract in it, which is great for reducing pigmentation on the skin. The texture of this product is gel-like, and for application you just have to take an adequate amount of this peel and apply it on your dry skin. Wherever you are seeing any kind of tanning or pigmentation, leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off with cold water and then follow up with a moisturizer. You can use this peel on your body twice or thrice a week for reducing pigmentation as well as dead skin cell layers. Now when it comes to detanning for the skin, I personally like to use chemical exfoliants on my skin. I do like to use detan mask, but I think chemical exfoliation gives way better result than detan mask. So this body peel is amazing for getting rid of dead skin cell layers from the body as well as reducing pigmentation from the body parts. Now coming to the last product from this range, so this is the Gulab and Glycolic Acid Body Wash. I've talked about this body wash in some of my previous videos. Now this one contains gulab extract along with 1% glycolic acid as well as glycerine. So this is a great body wash and it is optimal for using on alternate day basis. It contains only 1% glycolic acid, so it will not irritate your skin. It contains glycerine in it, which works as a very good moisturizing agent which helps in reducing any kind of dry patch on your body. This body wash is also free from any kind of fragrance as well as it is sulfate free. It lathers really well on the skin. You just have to take an adequate amount and apply it on your damp body. Work up a lather and then rinse it off with cold or lukewarm water. Using this body wash on a regular basis gives a smoother as well as clear complexion, as well as prevents clogging of pores. Now because this body wash contains various kinds of humectants as well as moisturizing agents in it, it will not dry out your skin, but you do have to apply a body lotion on top and wear a sunscreen in the morning. You can purchase these products from Dr. Sheth's official website and you can use my coupon code POONAM20 for getting flat 20% off. I'll put down the links of the products in the description box below, do check it out. But before trying out any kind of new product, a patch test is highly recommended. So this is all for today. Hope you like the video. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. You can also connect with me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, bye.